small. Circle, square, triangle too. Sammy's here to learn with you. Find the shapes, it's so much fun. An adventure for everyone. Oh! A round red ball rolled down the hill. Circle, said Sammy, what a thrill! He found a box that was a square with 4 equal sides, it's standing there. Circle, square, triangle too. Sammy's here to learn with you. Find the shapes, it's so much fun. An adventure for everyone. Oh! Sammy saw a kite up high, a triangle flying in the sky. With 3 straight sides it soared with ease. Shapes are hiding in the breeze. Next he saw a star so bright, shining shapes in the moonlit night. Sammy cheered, I've learned today. Shapes are all around, hooray! Circle, square, triangle too. Sammy's here to learn with you. Find the shapes, it's so much fun. An adventure for everyone. So look around, what shapes can you see? A world of wonders, it's shape story. Sammy waves goodbye, but don't delay. Find more shapes and shout, hooray!